Good evening, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your video, Sama, first of all. Everyone must on your video and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Up to end of the class, you don't hide your video. First on your video. Sana, if you hide your video, stop the class. Everyone must on your video. Sutvik, V, Vignesh, Sai Teja, Rashekar Reddy, K. Bhavani, G. Charan, Shashi, Raj Nirma. On your videos. 18 students came in my class. Why? What happened? In English class, 28 students are present. 28 students are listened to class. Now 80 students only present. Okay, remaining members I call. Okay, students, last class we discussed about percentage unit. We are discussing 8.4 first bit. Okay, that is what is 25% of 40. What is the value of 25% of 40? Next, 18% of 300. This one we learned in yesterday's class. Now I am going to explain. Find the value of the following. Same as it is problems, but we are given 5% of in rupees, grams, meters, centimeters, like that given. Okay, first one from exercise 8.4, second bit amount. Find the values of the following. So this first one is 5% of 5% of rupees 800. Okay, students, 5% of 800. How can we solve this problem? Okay, first 5% of rupees 800. How can we do? In previous class, what I explained, that is exercise 8.4, first bit. We multiply by that number. 5% means first of all we have to change into fraction form. On your videos, Amma, why you are hiding your videos? Bhavani, Sathik Reddy, K. Bhavani, on your video girl. Kale Rakshaya, Bhavani, Sai Teja, Vignesh. Everyone on your videos. Okay. Five percentage of rupees 800. 5%, first of all, we have to write in fraction form. That is 5% is nothing but 5 by 100. Yes, 5 by 100 into 800. Now here, if it is possible simplify, you can do simplification. Okay. How can we do simplification? Just we have to change it to lowest terms or reduce the fraction. 100 ones are 100 eights are 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. What is the 5% of 840? Okay. Did you understand, Amma? First 5% of 800. First 5% write in fraction form. And next multiply by 800. After simplification we get answer 40. And next second one is 30% of 1600. 1600. Same you have to follow this method only. 30% of 1600 rupees 1600. Rupees 40. How to solve this one? 30% of rupees 1600. First 30 by 100 and into 1600 into 1600. After simplify. How can we simplify? 100 ones are 116. Yes, 2 zeros cut also we can get there 16 only. Next 16 threes are 48. 480. What is the answer? 480. Rupees 480. This is only answer. How can we get answer? Did you understand, Amma? First two. Sana, on your video? Did you understand? Are you listening? Okay, next one more I will explain, Amma. Next third one. That is 20% of 20% of 80 grams. 20% of 80 grams. Now 20% first write in fraction form. 20% in percentage form. Write in fraction form. How can we write in fraction form? 20 by 100. By 100 into 800. 2 zeros cancel. 28 are 160 grams. Okay. From these problems, if you have any doubt, ask. And in this one, 12 problems are there. If you want any explanation, you can ask. I will explain that problem only. From this bit only. Only second bit. Which problem you want for explanation purpose, you can ask them. Are you listening or not first? Anyone not responding? 20 members only present. 7 members are absent. Don't have interest also first. Last, some children are not coming to class first. 21. Now 1 member added. What about remaining students? I don't know. What happened? Did you understand or not? Are you listening or not first? Say yes or no. Or otherwise if you understand, say yes. Otherwise, okay, once again explain, teacher say. For explanation purpose, one more want or not first. Remaining problems you can complete or not. Can you complete remaining one? From this bit, any explanation want? Sana, Bhavani, Akshaya, Nirma. Yes. Okay, which one you want for explanation? Here 12 problems are there, Ma. I explained 3 problems. Which one you want? Okay, now I am going to explain 7th one. 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage. That is which one? 7th one. 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage of 15 liters. Okay, 15 liters. First 33 whole 1 by 3 first change into here mixed fraction given. So first we have to change into improper fraction. 33 3 is 99. 99 plus 1 100. 100 by 3. 100 by 3 percentage of 15. So first 100 by 3 percentage. Write in fraction form. How can we write? By 100. So 100 by 3 into 100 into 15. 15 by 1. Here any simplification it is possible. If it is possible, you can do simplify. Just 100, 100. Okay. Next 15 by 3. 5 ones are 5 threes are. Sorry. 3 ones are 3 fives are. So what is the answer? 5 liters. First, mixed fraction change into improper fraction. After this percentage form change into fraction form. Then we have to do multiplication. Then after if it is possible here simplification, we can do simplify. After simplify, we get answer 5 liters. How can we get 5 liters? First 100 by 3 into 100 by 3 into 100. 100, 100 cancel. And next, teacher explains sixth one. Okay, very good. Sixth one I will explain. Okay, 100, 100 cancel and 3 ones are 3 fives are 15. What is the answer? 5 liters. Okay? Complete this one first. I will explain sixth one. Did you complete? Shall I erase? Okay, sixth one. What is sixth one? 300 percentage of 12 kgs. 300 percentage of 12 kgs. 300 percentage of 12 kgs. First percentage form change into fraction form. 300 by 100 into 12. 100, 100 cancel. How many are there here? 3. 100 ones are 100 threes are. 12 threes are 36. 36 kilograms. This is the answer. Did you understand or not? If you have any doubt, ask in this topic. From second bit. Here 12 problems are there. Bona. What is bona? 8th one. Bone that one. 8th one. What is 8th one? 6 whole 1 by 4. Percentage of 112 kilometers. Okay, first 6 whole 1 by 4 change into improper fraction. 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Yes, is it correct or not? 25. 25 by 4. 25 by 4 percentage of 112 kilometers. Now percentage form to write in fraction form. How can we write denominator 100? Yes. Remove the percentage symbol and denominator write 100. I am writing that one only. 25 by 4 into 100 into 112. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Yes, is it correct or not? 4 ones are 4 to the 8, 4 8s are 30. 4 to the 8, 3 will come, 4 8s are 30. Next 4 ones are 4 7s are What is the answer? 7. After simplification, 7 will come. That is 7 is kilometers. Okay, 4 4 is 16. 16 sevens are 112. You can simplify like that also. Don't confuse children. First simplification you practice. First, I hope you did not understand that topic only. Simplification form only. The simplification first you have to practice. We cannot practice without practice. We cannot do mathematics. So first you have to practice first. 22. Now one more member K. Okay. Did you understand, Amma? No. Okay. Welcome, Shefa Sai Teja. Very good. Remaining one, complete your own children. Okay. These problems I explained. Remaining one, try to your own. Then if you have any doubt, you can call me. I think your worksheet also completed. Those who are completed, those members take your worksheet and on Monday you come to school and write your exam now. If you not completed, you complete first and practice. Practice also. Without practice, you don't come to school first. Worksheet you perfectly practice and afterwards you come to school and write your exam. Okay, what is your doubt? Srishan, unmute yourself.
Teacher, third one wrong, right, teacher?
Which one, Nana?
Third one, teacher. Exercise 8.4.
20% of
80 grams, right, teacher?
okay, 800 grams is okay. Okay, Nana. Thank you.
Okay, teacher.
But process is correct only. Okay, process is correct only. But in your textbook, 80 grams given, but I written here 800. Okay, very good. Okay. Now 16 grams here. Then 8 is 16. Okay, did you understand this one? Simplification. 20% of 80 grams. 80 grams here first here 0 0 cancel and next one more 0 here and here cancel. After 8 to the 16 grams. Before I written 800. Then we get answer 160. But here 80 grams here given 80 grams. So write 80 grams and after simplification we get answer 16 grams. Okay? Sana, did you understand, Amma? Okay, next in from worksheet and from your textbook, if you have any doubt, you can call me or now you raise your hand. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, next I am going to explain which is greater next bit. No doubts. Okay. Come with this one. It's a doubt. Rajshekar Reddy. Okay, what is your doubt? Unmute yourself.
Fourth one, teacher.
Explanation. Fourth one wanted. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
What is fourth one? 2% of 200 rupees. Same as it is 2%, we can write in fraction form 2 by 100. 2 by 100 into 200. 100 ones are 100 twos are 2 twos are 4. Very easy. 4 rupees. Okay. Within one step or in mind calculating also we can say answer. Okay. Which is greater? Next bit I am going to explain to them. Write down this one. which is greater. Same here, before one problem given, first bit and second bit, one problem given. Now in third bit, two are given. From these two are to compare these one, which is greater, write down. First, from percentage to write fraction form, and what is the percentage of given number, you have to find out. From that number we can write which is the biggest and which is the smallest. How can we write? Now I will explain. 12% of 600. 12% of 600 or 18% of 500. Okay, we are given two problems. We have to do complete two problems. First one is 12% of 600 and next second one is 18% of 500. In both one, you have to compare and which is the greatest one we have to write, which is greater, write down. Okay, first 12% of 600, 18% of 500. First 12% of 600, 12 by 100 into 600. 12 by 100 into 600. The first one complete. 100 ones are 100 six are. 12 six are. What is the product of 12 and 6? 12 six are. Say anyone 12 six are. Say fast. Hey, are you listening? Are you sleeping? But this must time 80. 12 six are 72. % of 500. So 18 by 100 into 500. 100 ones are 100 fives are. After simplification, 8 fives are 18 fives are. Sorry, not 8 fives are 18 fives are. 90. Good. 90. In these both one, which is greater? Which is greater amount? 90 is greatest number or 72 is greatest number? 90 is greatest number. So 18% of 500 is greater. Okay, 18% of 500 is greater. Write that one. You ask which is greater. Right, which is greater? In given both one, 18% of 500 is greater. Okay, you compare like the time, complete. Did you understand this one first? They are given both problems. 12% of 600, 18% of 500. You have to find out what number will come. From that numbers you have to compare which is greater. After you have to write which one is greater, you have to write that one. In these both numbers, 90 is biggest number. Say 18% of 500 is bigger or greater or greatest. Okay? Did you understand? In this one, 4 problems are there, Amma. Remaining 3 problems, complete your work. If you want to explanation, I will explain one more problem also, as your wish. Okay. I'm going to explain 4th one. Second and third and fourth one. %25 are 400. 20% of 600. 20% of 600. Kilograms also given here. 5 kilograms. Okay, first both ones write down first one. 25% of 400 and next one is 20% of 600. Okay, 25 by 100 into 400. by 100 into 400 kilograms. Okay, next one is 20 by 100 into 600 kilograms. If it is possible simplify, we can do simplification. How can we do simplification? 100 ones are 100 twos are 100 ones are 100 six are. Okay, now 25 fours are. What is the answer? 25 fours are. 25 fours are. 100. 100. And next one 26 are. 120. Be alert, children. 100 or 120. Which is greater? 120. So 20% of 600 kilograms is greater. Great. Okay. Complete this one. And exercise 8.4 completed. Next class, but problems on percentage I will explain. Okay, in tomorrow class I will explain but problems on percentages. That is exercise 8.5. Okay. Next, those are completed worksheet, practice, and tomorrow come to school and write your exam. Tomorrow or Monday, as you wish that one. Yeah, compulsory you come to tomorrow only. I am not saying. Just on Monday also you can come and complete your exam. Write your exam and go. Okay, but complete perfectly. Totally you complete and totally you practice also. Not only mathematics, every subject wise you complete and subject wise you practice and come to school. Now 18 students are listening. Already 2 members are gone. To end up the class, you must attend the class. I said also, but some are children went. Why? What happened? What is your problem? Okay, students. I hope you understand this class. And next, if you have any doubt, you can call me and you complete your worksheet and write your exam on Monday. Okay. Still now some children did not collect your worksheets. Those who did not collect, those members come to school and collect your worksheet. Some are. I think those members only left from class. I think. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay. Bye, students. Happy evening.